Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To install a new car stereo by yourself, start by disconnecting the battery to ensure safety. Use a panel tool to remove the trim and access the stereo. Unscrew and pull out the existing stereo, carefully disconnecting the wires. Connect the new stereo's wiring harness to the car's wire harness. If necessary, attach an adapter. Securely mount the new stereo in the dash and reassemble the trim. Reconnect the battery, and test the stereo to ensure it's working properly. This process may vary based on the car and stereo model, so consult the stereo's manual and your car's repair manual for specific instructions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.